welcoming all of you. My name is Ravi Mishra in front of you, and I'm a proud student of NIFL Institute. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to Pradeep Agrawal sir, Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir, and all the NIFL team who gave me this wonderful opportunity, and I'm very glad I take this wonderful opportunity. So today I'm going to tell one story. It's a real story. It's the name of and who person change the mindset of people, mindset of society people. Who person solve the problem of society, like education problem. It's a name. And who person that time who person started a one startup. That's the name of it was the name of Muskan Dreams. A person name of Mr. Abhishek Dubey. He's a very successful person. So what about past? So let's talk about the past. Okay, so as far as talk success, it was a talk of 2014. One boy wanted to start a startup, like education startup, like innovation. That it was the name of Muskan Dreams. So one boy, that time he was going to home and he saw lots of poor children, and he thought, what should I do for this? And this children, they didn't have some money for good education, by which they could take the good education. So that time he started one startup. So it was the name of Muskan Dreams. So basically that time Muskan Dreams was work for education, like they provide a well teacher, they provide a well education, and they provide lots of things, and they provide as a volunteer also. So he was working on his dream, and he was working with a startup, and and that time he did face the lots of struggle, but still he didn't give up on his dream, and after some time up got a turning point on his life. His parents against him, and his parents said to him, what are you doing and what do you want to do in your life? So he said, I started one startup. It's a name of Muskan Dreams. So his parents said, what is the startup? What is the Muskan? I don't know. And after lots of argument, his parents said, these are two options. You will have to choose your parents or your dream. And what will you choose? So he said, I want to take some time. And after 2-3 days, he came and he said, I will choose my dream. And I will choose my dream. And he chose the dream. And that time his parents against him, totally against him. His parents stop the pocket, give the pocket money, give the support, any support financially, and totally stop. So it's a created dilemma situation for his mind. So, but he didn't give up. He took the risk. He took the calculated risk. And after some time, he gave the 6 to 7 months for his startup, and after some time he succeeded in his life. He succeeded in his life, and now his parents proud to him. And I will say you, if you want to achieve something in your life, first of all you will have to give the 100% for you, and you will have to fight the someone else. Those person are not doing the work for your dream. So, and now he is a CEO of Muskan Dreams, and basically I tell you, Muskan Dreams is working. Muskan Dreams is working to central government and state government, and now Muskan Dreams is working to 16 to 17 states. So it's a real story, and he's my cousin brother. It's Mr. Abhishek Dubey. So thank you so much to all of you, and for listening my carefully words, and for giving me your precious time for listening. And thank you so much to all of you.